Hi folks, Carolann here from SassyTownhouseLiving.com, and today I wanted to go over with you one of my favorite tools that I use for font management, and this is called Nexus Font. This is a Windows application. Please be sure to check out my post as I do list my favorite fonts for Macs as well. So the first thing that you'll want to do once you get this installed on your computer, you want to check on the bottom, and it lets you know right here how many fonts I have installed on my computer and what size they take up, how much storage space they're taking up on my computer as well. Just good to make a mental note. Currently, I have 530 fonts, which might seem like a lot, but in actuality, it's really not. I know a lot of folks that literally have thousands of fonts, especially people that work with graphic design or any type of web development. They have thousands of fonts on their computer, so don't worry about how many fonts you have. They really don't take up all that much space. The file size of the font is pretty small. And one of the reasons that I love this program is because I can easily scroll through and see what fonts I have and what they look like. So if I decided that I don't really like this font, I don't use it, all I have to do is check it and hit the trash can. Once I hit that trash can, this font will be deleted from my computer, and it makes managing my fonts that easy. It also allows me to see what they look like. As you can tell from the windows, each of the text is stylized in that particular font. And another nice thing about this program is you can change what you want it to say. So if you don't like this particular text in here, you can change it to whatever you want and see what the font looks like in whatever text you type. So that's another handy little feature. Another really nice feature too is when you click on this little grid, it pops up the numeric and the symbols and shows you exactly what they look like. So if I clicked one of them, I can see very clearly here what the letter M looks like. I can select it, I can copy it, and I can paste it wherever I need to. So if I just needed this particular letter, or if I needed this star symbol, I can just select it, copy it, and there it is. Another nice thing too is it gives you the hex code for what it is, and it gives you the decimal code as well. So I really like that feature, and of course every time I click on a different font and click this grid, it lets me see exactly what the symbols, the letters, and the numbers look like, and I can go in and, like I said, select them and copy them and use them wherever I need to. So basically, you can print from here. If I needed to print a page and say test it and see what it looked like printed, I can very easily do that as well. I can get a character map of all of the different characters, letters, and numbers, and I can get information about this particular font as well. So it gives me the exact name, what style it is, that it's bold, it lets me know the company, and so on. So that's always nice. And I can delete and manage all of my fonts from here. You can also drop down this menu and get all of the menu options as well. So if I click on edit, I can copy this particular font to a folder and so on. I can view from here. There are some tools. I can open up the folder. I can find any duplicate fonts, which is nice too, because then I can make sure that they're deleted off of my computer and save on space and so on. So it's a really nifty program. I happen to like and prefer this program first. You can also, one other quick thing is you can add a particular font to a collection. So if you wanted to list your top 10 or 20 fonts, all you have to do is choose it and add it to this little collection right here, and then it'll list all of your favorite fonts right underneath this collection. That's something that I need to do, and it's definitely a very handy feature to have. So I think that pretty much explains how easy these programs are to use. You'll find that most font management software programs have the same type of interface. Some have less features, some have more. I haven't really found one that has more features than Nexus Font, and it is free, and free is always awesome. There are some font management software programs you can pay for too, but I don't really see the need to pay for them when this program does everything that I need it to do and more, and it's safe to use and free. So definitely check them out. I will have all the information, as I said, in my post, so it'll be there handy for you in case you decide to download this too. Thanks so much for watching, and please leave me any questions and comments you might have in the down bar of this video or in my post. Have a great day.